Air Force One is not a specific aircraft, but a call sign for any U.S. Air Force plane carrying the president. The current aircraft associated with Air Force One is a modified Boeing 747-200B, designated VC-25A. There are two such aircraft, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and security features. These planes serve as mobile command centers, allowing the president to perform all duties while airborne. The aircraft is equipped with the latest technology to ensure constant connectivity. Air Force One represents more than transportation. It's a flying White House, ready for any situation. It underscores the importance of the president's role and the need for constant readiness. The aircraft is a vital component of the United States national security infrastructure. Air Force One is a symbol of American power and prestige. Air Force One boasts unique features that set it apart from any other aircraft. It can refuel mid-air, allowing it to remain airborne indefinitely during crises. The aircraft is equipped with classified avionics and electronic countermeasures to neutralize threats. Hardened communication systems ensure secure encrypted communication from anywhere in the world. Electromagnetic pulse shielding protects against nuclear blasts and other disturbances. These features make Air Force One one of the most secure and resilient aircraft globally. It's a state-of-the-art flying fortress, ready to withstand a wide range of threats. Flying Air Force One is a privilege for the most skilled U.S. Air Force pilots. These pilots undergo rigorous training, including advanced flying techniques and security protocols. They must handle any situation, from mechanical issues to security threats. Pilots work closely with the Secret Service to coordinate security measures. Before each flight, the Secret Service conducts thorough security sweeps. The responsibility of flying Air Force One requires exceptional professionalism and dedication. Pilots ensure the safe transport of the president and the integrity of the aircraft. This role is a testament to their extensive training and experience. When Air Force One flies, secret protocols ensure the president's safety. A temporary flight restriction, TFR, shuts down airspace around the aircraft. Military escorts, typically fighter jets, provide additional security. The coordination between Air Force One and its escorts is precise and well practiced. The football, a briefcase with nuclear launch codes, is always within reach of the president. These measures ensure Air Force One remains one of the most protected aircraft. The coordination reflects the importance of the aircraft's mission and constant vigilance. These protocols are a testament to the U.S. commitment to protecting its leader. Air Force One, based on the Boeing 747, differs significantly from a standard 747. It features advanced communication systems, secure meeting spaces, and living quarters. The interior functions as a mobile White House, unlike a commercial 747 designed for passenger travel. A standard 747 lacks the specialized equipment and security features of Air Force One. Air Force One is maintained by a dedicated team, ensuring peak condition. This level of attention is not typical in commercial aviation. The modifications and capabilities make Air Force One a unique flying machine. It symbolizes American power and leadership. Flying Air Force One is the pinnacle of a pilot's career. It requires immense skill, dedication, and responsibility. The role presents unique challenges, from security protocols to emergency situations. Pilots witness history firsthand, providing a unique perspective on world events. The experience is rewarding and fulfilling, leaving a lasting impact. The role is a testament to a pilot's skill and commitment to service. Flying Air Force One is a career-defining achievement and a source of immense pride. It represents the highest level of aviation excellence and leadership.